Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my last vacation. In my last vacation, I went to the beach in Veracruz with my family. We wanted to relax and have fun together. We traveled by car. The trip took about 5 hours. I was tired but also excited. We listened to music in the car and ate some snacks. We stayed in a small hotel near the beach. The hotel was not big, but it was clean and nice. Our room had a big bed, a small TV, and a window with a view of the sea. I really liked the sound of the waves. Every morning I woke up early. I opened the window and saw the ocean. It was very beautiful. I went for a walk on the beach. The sun was soft and the air was fresh. I took pictures of the sunrise. The colors in the sky were amazing. After that, we had breakfast. We ate at a cafe near the hotel. I ate toast, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I drank juice and sometimes coffee. In the afternoon, we went to the beach. I swam in the sea and the weather was warm. I played volleyball with my father and mother. We laughed a lot. I also sat on a towel and listened to music. It was very relaxing. Another day, we visited a market. There were many things: clothes, hats, souvenirs, and food. I bought a bracelet for my girlfriend and a hat for me. I also ate ice cream. It was very hot that day. One night, we saw a music show near the hotel. There was a band playing live music. People were dancing, and I danced a little too. It was very fun. The next day, we did something different. We rented bicycles and rode around the town. The town was small, but it had many nice places. We saw a church, some parks, and a small museum. I took many photos. The people in the town were friendly and smiled at us. We stopped at a cafe to drink something cool. I had lemonade and it was very refreshing. Later that afternoon, we returned to the beach to relax. I built a sandcastle with my cousins. We also collect seashells. I found some small white and pink ones. They were very pretty. I put them in a bag to take home. In the evening, we watched the sunset. The sky had many colors: yellow, orange, and red. It was it was very peaceful. My family sat together on the sand and we talked about our favorite moments of the trip. We felt very happy and close. Before going back home, we packed our things and took one last walk near the water. I didn't want to leave. I really enjoyed this vacation. I relaxed and full of energy. It was one of the best trips I've ever had. This vacation was special for me. I relaxed, had fun, and played. I hope I can go again next year. Thank you for listening.